Impro's commitment to sustainability is at the core of everything that we do, and that's why we're proud to achieve the Zero Waste certification from SCS Global Services. The steps that we took to achieve this certification really began with data collection. You can't really make changes or understand where you're at until you start collecting data. As a manufacturing facility with 9 buildings in our business park, oftentimes it's really difficult for one person to be able to keep up with all of the different waste streams. So we relied very heavily on all of the different departments to be able to tell us what their different waste streams are so that we could capture the appropriate data for that.
Our manufacturing teams are a very strong asset to Impro. It's important that they're a part of the process to divert waste because they're at the forefront of where waste is actually contributing to a factor of sustainability.
Some of the innovative ways that we were able to internally recycle our product was actually to look at our existing product lines and find ways to incorporate recycled content into those existing products. A really good example is the development of our Blue Nose Corner Guard retainers. The Blue Nose Corner Guard retainers are made of 100% pre-consumer recycled content, which means that the scrap that we generate in our manufacturing facility gets repurposed right on site to manufacture these products. The Blue Nose retainer for our corner guards is actually 4 times stronger than our aluminum counterpart, so it actually adds durability to an existing product, and it's a great way for us to reuse our scrap and keep it out of the landfill.
There's long-term benefits to diverting waste on the production floor. Internally, we can take waste and put it back into our process to lower costs of our product and also give back to our sustainability goals. Our team not just cares about what goes on in the building, but they also care about what goes on in the rest of the world. So they really feel like they have a part of controlling how well this world is treated.
This certification really strengthens our commitment to customers who prioritize sustainability. It's a win for the environment and a win for our partners. We're proud to take this step towards a greener future. Learn more about our sustainability efforts at improcorp.com.